Robbins with Deerview Woodworking, and I want to show you a project that I just made for my wife. It's a beautiful sewing table, and I got this design, the idea for the design, from one of my woodworking magazines. A guy made a coffee table, and he used this design with the, I guess you call it mission style, with the slats in it here, and I thought I could incorporate that into a sewing table, and I think it turned out really well. This is black cherry, so this is all made from rough lumber. I milled everything and built everything myself in my shop. All the attachments here where the stringers go through here and into the uprights, those are all mortise and tenon joints, and the slats on the ends are also mortise and tenon joints. The tabletop is what we call a breadboard end, and I did this to allow movement because wood expands and contracts, and this breadboard end goes on that, and this is a long mortise and tenon here. I'll have more detailed pictures of that, and then you can see the 3 pins that actually hold everything together, that allows the top to expand and contract. The drawer is on metal guides with roller bearings, and you can see the tongue and groove, or the dovetail joints that I cut by hand. These are not cut with a machine or a router. I did that all by hand. And the other side of the drawer, the back side, I actually did the same way. If I can remember how to open this up. See, this comes out, and you can see the dovetails. And this is all wood. This is not pressed board or plywood or any such thing as that. This is all milled down from rough cut lumber, and I put soft closed drawers on like that. Below that we have storage. I could do more drawers, but my wife liked these bins, so I made a solid shelf here, and then these just fit right in there. So this is customizable if you have a certain need for yourself. We could do something different there. Again, this is Earl Robbins with Deerview Woodworking. Thank you for watching. I wanted to show you a little more detail on this project. This cherry wood has a lot of character to it. I don't have a great studio here as far as lighting goes. This is just in our basement. Again, this is not just pocket hole screws or something like that. This is mortise and tenon. So it looks the same on the inside as it does on the outside. Joinery is good.